Namaste and welcome back everyone. Now we are going to explore distance time graph. So what is the distance time graph? In the distance time graph we use time on x-axis and distance on y-axis. Remember, in this case you can also assume that distance is displacement. It will technically make sense. Okay, there is a fundamental difference too. Distance can never go negative, but displacement can go negative because it is a vector quantity. Other than that, it will remain the same. Okay, let's begin. In the distance time graph, when you draw a line, it means rate. So rate of distance or rate of changing displacement is actually speed or velocity. So this is all about distance time graph. Now, is there any meaning of the area in the distance time graph? Well, let's explore that. In the distance time graph, when you draw the area, so you are actually multiplying. So distance multiplied time. Actually, there is no quantity that we are studying with distance multiplied time. So it is technically not possible graph. Let's look one more thing about the not possible graphs. Not possible graphs is categorized into two pieces. First one is when I am saying the distance word and using the distance graph and actually building a negative graph for the distance on the y dash axis. It will be not possible. Or the second case is when the time is negative, because the time can technically never be negative. So there is no meaning of drawing x dash axis or t dash for time. So it will not possible. Let's look at the final case for the distance time graph. Now imagine that a person is sitting on a chair. So how you are going to graph that? So the position is not changing. So you can mark a position with time, but the time is continuously moving as it is an independent quantity. So the line will become parallel to the time axis. So anything parallel to the time axis shows us the constant. In this case, constant means rest. So this is all about the displacement time graph and distance time graph. In the next one, we are going to explore the velocity time graph and acceleration time graph. Stick with me, take care, God bless and namaste.